Good morning, children. 14th November every year, we celebrate Children's Day as a tribute to the first Prime Minister of India, Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru. Dear children, I am sure you all are missing this auspicious day in school, and let me tell you, as teachers, we are also missing you. But you need to have patience. You will get many more Children's Day to come. You will witness it. But till then, you have to stay safe and secure during this pandemic. Let us all pray together to the Almighty for the vaccine to be released soon. So, dear children, after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1964, it was unanimously decided in India to celebrate his birthday as Bal Divas. Chacha Nehru was a very dynamic leader and an able administrator. He propagated the rights of children and also their education. In the field of education, he was a pioneer in setting up the most reputed educational institutions in India, like AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, IIM, Indian Institute of Management. So I should say that he left a legacy behind in the field of higher education. So, dear children, he not only spoke about the education of the children, but he also gave lot of importance to their rights. Do you know some of the rights given by Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, which he spoke about? I would like to enlist some of these rights. The first right is the right to education, right to elementary education till the age of 14 years. And the next is right to prohibition from hazardous job, right to prohibition from abuse, and right to equal opportunities and facilities to develop in a holistic manner, and right to freedom and dignity. So these are some of the rights each and every one of you should know of. Now, children, I would like to tell you, we always talk about rights, not just you, even the elders. We talk about what rights of our parents have given, what rights our teachers have given, what rights our institution has given or our government has given, and we forget about our duties. Let me tell you, children, we are bound by our duties. And duties are not static, they are dynamic. They change from time to time. At present, your duty is to listen to your parents and stay safe and secure. But my request to you is, don't become couch potatoes with gadgets in your hand, sitting in front of the TV all the time. Come out of your rooms. Indulge yourself in lot of other activities. Like, for example, gardening. You can grow a plant. You can take care of water management, which is the need of the hour. So you must involve yourself in these activities. Only then Chacha Nehru will be happy, impressed, and bless you. Children, remember, always involve in those kind of activities which will lead us all to sustainable development. Do those things which will not harm the environment. Indulge in those things which will make this planet Earth a better place to live in. Do not think of how big or small your contribution is. Whatever it is, whether it is small or big, just work towards progress. In this regard, I remember the words of Neil Armstrong, who first, when he landed on the moon, this is what he said: "One small step for a man and a giant leap for the mankind." So remember his words. I would also like to quote Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. Beautiful lines he had written in Hindi when he said, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना कराता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत असफल नहीं होती। बच्चों, याद रखो, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती। धन्यवाद। मेरे ओर से और विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आप सबको बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद।